My dear student, today we are going to solve exercise of the chapter nouns number. Okay, so listen carefully and be attentive during the solve this exercises of the chapter. Okay, so first exercise is here. Change the nouns in the bracket into the plural form and make other necessary changes. Might not need to make any changing in the same cases. Okay, so listen here. Here is the given sum of the word in the bracket, and you can change. It will be possible of to change singular or plural. Okay, so read the all sentences and change into it will be singular or plural. So first sentence is my glass are broken. So look here. Here is the use R word, then it will be plural form. So glasses will be glass will be glasses. Okay, so you can add es in the last of the word. In the second sentence, here is the mosquito and webs. Okay, and here is the verb is verb. So you will use the es in the end of the mosquito and s in the end of the word webs. Okay, here is the add es and here is the add s. In the third sentence, child will be children. Okay, woman, in woman you will remove the a and add e. Okay, and it will be plural of the woman. And in the colony you will remove the y. In colony you will remove the y letter and add i e s. Okay, it will be colonies. Okay, in fourth sentence you will write down here buffalo will be buffaloes and wolf will be wolves. It means remove the f and add ves. Okay, fifth is footman. In the footman you will remove the a letter and add e in place of a, then it will be footman. Okay, and carriage you will add only s letter in the end of the word carriage. It will be plural form. Clear? And next is 6. In the sixth sentence you will add s in the end of the word pen, and here bag is not will be plural. Okay, so leave it in their same condition. In the seventh you will see here the word mango. You will add es in the end of the mango and it will be mangoes. Okay, and vendor will be not change, it will be in their same condition. And in the sentence 8, okay, here is the word rooms. Rooms will be rooms. Okay, you will add s. In the ninth sentence, in bracket word is country. Okay, here is the various word. You can see that here is the use various word. Then it will be countries. Okay, remove the y letter and add i e s. Then it will be countries. Okay, countries. Clear? Next is 10. In the goods you will change it by adding double e in place of o. Okay, add double e in place of o, it will be geese. And here is the calf. In the calf you will remove the f letter and add ves, then it will be calves. It's clear? So first exercise has been completed. Here is the second, fill in the blanks. So let's read and change it into plural or singular form. Okay, plural of self, it will be salvage. Spelling is SHELVES. Singular of kilos, remove the s and write kilo, KILO. Plural of watch, you will add es because of here the letter given cs, so it will be watches by adding es. Okay, Here is the plural of donkey. You only add s, then it will be donkeys. And here is the word life. Life will be lives by adding ves to remove of fe. Okay. Plural of pony, it will be ponies. And singular of fly, it will be fly, fly. And singular of feet, it will be foot, foot. It's clear? Then next exercise is here. State whether the highlighted nouns in these sentences are countable or uncountable. Okay. So listen carefully. Here is the word, highlighted word is rudeness. Rudeness. It will be uncountable noun. So you will write here in complete word uncountable noun. Okay. Next is apples. Apples is a countable. We can count it very easily. So it will be countable. So you will write here countable. Next is sugar. Third is sugar. Sugar is a uncountable word, uncountable noun. So write in the front of the sentence uncountable. Water is the uncountable. So write before the sentence uncountable. Fifth is dog. Dog is a countable word, countable noun. So you will write in blanks countable. Okay. And the sixth, stars. Stars, full of stars. Okay. Sky is full of stars. So it will be uncountable because we cannot count the star in the sky. So it will be uncountable noun. Okay. Next, it means 7 is 4 boxes of chocolate. So we can count it. So you will write here countable noun. 8 is happiness. Happiness is a abstract noun. So we cannot count it. So you will write here uncountable. Okay. Next is rice. Rice is a uncountable word. So write here uncountable, and kind is also uncountable word. You will write here uncountable. Clear? Next is rewrite these sentences in the singular. In some cases, the sentences will remain unaltered. Okay. So look here and change wherever necessary into singular to plural and plural to singular. And wherever is not it necessary, then you will rewrite as the same way. Okay. So let's see here. There is a lot of dust on the tables. In the tables you will remove as and write down there is a lot of dust on the table. Okay. Next is we get wool from sheep. You will write in the same way. Third is the second innings is about to start. There is the S. It is the correct sentence. So you will write its sentence. Okay. Fourth is I know the children. You will write down the children into the singular number. It will be child. Okay. Children change into child, and rewrite this sentence by using I do not know the child. Okay. Fifth is get me 3 pairs of tongs. So you will see your words pairs. In the pairs you will see the letter S. Remove the S and write pair only. Then it will be get me 3 pair of tongues. Okay. 6 is the onlookers. In lookers you will remove the S letter and rewrite it by using the singular form. The onlooker soon moved away. Okay. You will remove the S letter. In 7 it will be same condition, no changing. And in the 8, in the chest, okay, you will remove the S letter. Then it will be keep his belongings in the chest. 8 is he failed to meet their expectations. In the expectations you will remove the letter S and write down it all sentence. Okay. He failed to meet their expectation. Okay. 10 is we are under the obligations to follow the law of the lands. In the lands you will remove the S letter and rewrite this sentence in a same condition. Okay, next is there are some errors in these sentences, make change required. Okay, wherever necessary to change it, then you will change the words, and wherever not necessary, then leave that. So listen carefully. I prefer to wear a trouser. In the trouser you will add the letter S. Okay, you will add letter S, and it will be trousers. Okay, then use R. Here is not will be R, it will be is. Okay, so remove the R and write down is in place of R. In third, I want 10 dozens. Here is not will be dozens, it will be only dozen. So remove the S letter and write down it again. Fourth is cut the cloth with scissor. Here is the add S. In the end of scissor you will add the letter S, and it will be scissors. That is a correct word. And fifth is the juries. In the juries you will remove IES and add only Y. It will be jury. Okay. In the sixth sentence, mathematics are. Here is the mathematics is a singular word, singular number word. Then you will remove the R and add IS is. Okay, and other word is a same condition. 7 is I want to give you some informations. Here is not will be information, it is information. So remove the S letter and rewrite this sentence. Next is my father bought me a pair of binocular. In binocular means in binoculars you will add the S letter. Okay, add S letter and rewrite this sentence. In the 9, we are grateful for the educations. In the education you will remove the S letter. Okay, in the education you will remove the S letter and rewrite this sentence in a correct position. Okay, in the 10th sentence, here is the chiefs. You can see that commander in chiefs. So remove the S letter and it will be correct sentence. Okay, so I hope you have complete this exercise. Now next is choose the correct nouns from those given in the brackets. Okay, so listen carefully and select the correct word. First is he shifted all his furniture or furnitures. Then you everyone know that furniture is always used in singular and plural form, so you will add the furniture word. Okay, next is he gave the shopkeeper a 100. That is the given a 100, then you will add rupee. Okay, he use a 100, then you will add rupee. And next is the old man cannot see without his spectacle. Spectacle is not correct and spectacles is correct, because there is the two parts of the glasses, so it will be spectacles. Next is I cut the string with a pair of scissors. Okay, it will be scissors. It is same parts, that is the spectacles and scissors. Okay, we always found it by adding S, and it is used in a singular way. Here is the dash are grazing. Then not be cattles, it will be cattles. Okay, you will add cattles. Next is I have a few. What kind of the few dollars? We can count it, so it will be plural of a few of dollars. So next is I have some information, always used in a singular form, so you will write here information. Okay, not add S, because we can change if we add S in the information, then its sense will be changed. Okay, and 8 is we have all the equipments. Equipments is a correct option, so you will fill it. Next and last is I like to hear different kinds of music. Music is a uncountable noun, so you will fill the word music. Okay, don't use S. And this is the complete exercise of the chapter 5, That's name was the name is nouns and number. Okay, you will feel it in your textbook and learn it. So I will meet you in the next video. Thanks to listen this exercise and thank you for watching this video.